creators, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to have an exciting tutorial on mastering the Conical Warp feature in Silhouette Studio. Conical Warp is a game changer when it comes to customizing designs for curved surfaces like cups, mugs and more. So let's dive right in. The first step is going to be measuring our item. We want to measure the width across the top, the height and the width across the bottom. Note these measurements down as we're going to use them in a moment in our program. Today's tutorial is brought to you by a brand that's close to my crafting heart, onlythesweetstuff.com.au. They specialise in quality blanks for the craft cutting community, and today we are using their stadium cups in our tutorial. As someone who's passionate about crafting, I know how important it is to have the right materials, and Only the Sweet Stuff understands this too. But there's more to onlythesweetstuff.com.au than just amazing blanks. Debbie, the creative genius behind the brand, also offers courses on getting the most out of your Cricut crafting machine and how to grow your personalized gift business. So if you're ready to take your crafting and personalized gift business to the next level, head on over to onlythesweetstuff.com.au today. And before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me quickly outline the benefits of Conical Warp. You get professional looking designs. With Conical Warp, your designs will warp seamlessly around your curved objects, giving them a polished and custom look. Whether you're making gifts, selling personalized items, or just crafting for fun, Conical Warp will open up a world of possibilities for you. No more trial and error. Conical Warp streamlines the design process, saving you precious crafting time. Begin by opening Silhouette Studio and selecting the design you want to apply the Conical Warp to. Now let's access the Conical Warp feature. Go to the Object menu, select Warp, and then click on Conical Warp. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a dialog box with parameters like height, top width, and bottom width. Those measurements that we took earlier, this is where you put them in. Click Apply to see your design transform and wrap around the cone. If you need to fine-tune your design, use the Edit Points tool. This allows you to adjust the placement of different parts of your design to make it look just right. Once you're happy with how your design looks, it's time to finish up. You can now send your design to your cutting machine for printing and cutting. And there you have it, folks. Mastering Conical Warp in Silhouette Studio is a fantastic skill to have in your crafting arsenal. It opens up endless possibilities for personalization and customization. Now, the Conical Warp feature is only available in Silhouette Studio Designer Edition and Business Edition. It is not available in the basic Silhouette Studio. Well, I hope you've liked this tutorial and it's been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all my cutting tutorials. Thanks for joining me today.